Welcome to Cleantie video tutorial number 5, Ready process. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step process of Cleantie Ready function. The Ready function is used to assign conveyor or rack location to the orders and notify customer by text message or email when their order is ready for pickup or delivery. Customers love text message notifications. To start the process, select Ready option from the main menu. Simply scan the invoice number barcode. Then, scan your conveyor number barcode. Or, type the number manually if you are not equipped with barcode scanner. The previous orders and locations are shown at the bottom of the screen if customer has other orders in stock. Assigning closer locations would help to speed up the order's retrieval and faster checkout process. As invoices are scanned, the assigned location is shown on the right-hand side. Click on Location List to see the detail of each invoice. Continue the above step for all other invoices. Press the print icon to print the list and retain it for audit purposes. To complete the process, press the OK button. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to watch our other videos.